Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of Trend Mood. Okay, unboxing. And yes, the lipstick that I tried on in the previous video is coming off. It's not a matte, you guys. Okay, it's a nice color on me. Not too bad, not too bad. Just realized that I wasn't recording in full screen. I was recording in 16:9, so now I got a full screen. Okay, and then here we go, Trend Mood. And that's why when I post some of my shorts, it's out of focus. So in part 1, you got the Zit medication, you got the Thrive lipstick that I have on now, and you have the RMS Beauty blush. Okay, also you have the Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara, and me trying to put an application of So Said mascara on. So now we got this SPF 50, running around SPF 50. My head cut off. I remember you. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Okay. And this is Sun Shield Body Glow. So we're going to put it on our hands. Now, my hand's not ashy today. Now, when I'm at work, that goes to tell you about that water at work. And I don't even think now it's kind of my skin is kind of dry, but it's not ashy. So that water at work, baby. Y'all see that? Ugh. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God. It smells delicious. Now watch me put it on the back. On the back. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God. Y'all, this smells so yummy. Oh, this smells yummy. Oh Lord. Now it doesn't, all they do is just put like a little sheen. Let me see. I'm leaning over the bed and got the phone like, let's try something on. It didn't say body, it didn't say face, but head, legs, and hips, and body. I don't own the rights to that. Yeah, I know somebody had commented on one of my videos when I would say, I don't own the rights to this music. They say, that does nothing. He said that did nothing. He said that just is this verify. I forgot how he said it, that you're stealing music. That you're using music without permission. Oh, I'm gonna watch Maggie, the substitute teacher. I forgot what she's cooking today on YouTube. Maggie, the substitute teacher. I watch her cook just about every day, and she is going to cook. Oh man, it's gonna be good. I don't know how long that smell is gonna last, but I might buy this. This smells good. And look at that. Oh, look at that shine. Ooh. Look at that shine. And then we have Thrive. This was for the Thrive waterproof liquid liner. Thrive waterproof liquid liner. What? Nope. What for? You know what? Hold on. Before we do that, we're going to go ahead and get to the apply to face and neck to clean skin. Every morning, every evening. When used in the morning, follow with a sunscreen. Don't tell me I ain't got no sunscreen right here. SPF 50. Now y'all know when they put stuff like this in subscription boxes. Uh-oh. Oh, that is. Whoop, that is. So let's see. Let's see what it feels like. The skin is clean enough. The skin is clean enough. Let's put some on the eyelid. Cause y'all know I was watching this post, and they're saying when your eyelids are itching, it could be mites in excess, like extra mites, like extra, like more than it's supposed to be, like dust mites. And y'all know I've been having problems with my eyes, and I've been rubbing my eyes. I've been scratching my eyelids and doing like this to my Oh, I guess I might just rub the little mascara on that I had off, because I don't really wear mascara. Ooh, that feels nice. Let's get another one.